What's done is done.
Yep.
Yeah, that's gonna be hung up. You grabbed it all. All right, don't do anything with it.
Yes.
Hold it. Back up, man. Come over here. Let's see if we can fix this, okay?
Here, this is your 50 here.
Take this, get this. Position where we do.
Okay.
That's all we want to do. Pretty good. That's good. Nice. Go ahead. Nice fix, guys. Nice fix. Hey, what do you need with you?
The coupling.
Grab that coupling. Coupling is on.
Thank you.
Right up here, back up. Bring it right to the door, back up. There you go. Perfect. Good. Pump of water.
Oh, charge the green line.
Give him the signal, right?
Charge.
Like this, right?
Oh.
There you go. Here it comes.
Okay.
Here you got good water.
Oh.
Open it up. Right there.
Opening up.
Right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna check it out real quick. So just communicate with him what you're doing. Alright, take a quick look, see what's going on. So how can you get in there and still not submit? What can you do? Get down low, right? Get on your belly, hook the door.
Yeah.
That way we know our way out.
Oh.
Okay. Drop the coupling right here. We're good. Oh, sorry.